Welcome. If you want to block ads on the websites in your Xiaomi POCO X3, let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Opera Mini, and we are going to use this browser to block ads. You don't have to connect and download any external application and connect it to your browser. And I'm going to show you how it works in a few moments. Right now we can open. Click continue and allow and continue. Okay, we can change it later and tap on this icon. Check if the ad blocking is turned on, like in my case. And right now we can enter the website, for example, the first one that pops on our screen. And as you can see here, we get the notification that the first ads were blocked and is linked to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now we can scroll down the page and we cannot find here any ads, as you can see. So it's really cool, and you don't have to connect any external apps. You need only this Opera Mini browser. Thanks for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.